أهلا بكم. النهاردة الدرس رقم 55 من دروس تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية، وهنتكلم عن إزاي أستخدم الرابط لأعبر بيه عن وجهة نظري أو أعبر بيه عن رأيي. Hello and welcome. Today is lesson 55 and I am going to talk about connectors, okay, to express your point of view. So let's start. زي ما احنا شايفين قدامنا connectors or conjunctions, opinion. Okay, you can start the sentence with these connectors when you want to express your point of view. Connector example: as far as, from my point of view, I agree, I disagree, in my opinion, I think that, it's true that, personally, to be honest, to tell the truth. Okay, the first one, as far as. As far as I am concerned, my work is finished. We need to travel as far as we can tonight. Yeah, as far as I can tell. Turn left at the corner and keep on as far as the church. The second one, from my point of view. From my point of view, I try to be the most honest from my point of view. From my point of view, comma, I saw myself as helpful and supportive. This becomes even less and less advisable from my point of view. She speaks well from my point of view. I agree. I agree with mom. I was simply stating that I agree with the man. I agree with Betsy. She couldn't travel this month. I agree with you to a certain degree. I agree it's for the birds. I disagree. I disagree strongly with this idea. I am afraid I have to disagree with you. I disagree with violent protests. We disagree on this matter. In my opinion, okay, in my opinion, comma, the player must be disqualified. He likes you too much, in my opinion. His comments were strange and rather incoherent, in my opinion. I received a mark which, in my opinion, seemed quite harsh. This part of the article, in my opinion, downright dishonest. I think that it's going to be good. I don't think that carrots are delicious. She doesn't think that the movie was good. I think that Tina is the best worker. Tina is the best worker. Okay, number 7. It's true that some people are working way harder nowadays without seeing results. It's true that hydrogen is inflammable. It's true that football is very popular. It's true that English is an international language. Personally, I noticed he wasn't involved in the new project. The player was personally criticized by his coach. The player was personally criticized by his coach. I was personally offended by the article. Personally, comma, I don't think much of the idea. Personally, I prefer the second option. Personally, I prefer the second option. Next one, to be honest. To be honest, comma, I'd rather start my own business. To be honest, I'd rather start my own business. We used to have quite a laugh about it, to be honest. We used to have quite a laugh about it, to be honest. I have to be honest that some of us do everything possible, okay, to woo the ladies. To be honest, I don't really agree with the direction the company is going in these days. To tell the truth, to tell the truth, to tell the truth, the financial crisis will last a couple of years longer. To tell the truth, I don't remember when I saw her last. To tell the truth, comma, she gave away all her money to others in desperation. To tell the truth, I didn't do my homework. To tell the truth, I couldn't finish it in time. To tell the truth, I used to smoke 2 packs a day. To tell the truth, I don't like his way of talking. To tell the truth, I don't like his way of thinking. To tell the truth, I don't like his way of living. To tell the truth, I don't know him well. To tell the truth, I have forgotten his name. To tell the truth, he was rather a shy boy. This is all for today. Thank you very much for watching. And I always wish you all the best. See you soon. Goodbye.